So guys,
Guys, we are in the car right now.
so where we go?
Jollibee.
Anong sasabihin? Tara!
Tara, tumakas.
Okay. We are here at...
We are here at Jollibee, guys.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. Go down. Careful. They have a car.
Eh.
I will lock your door.
Alright, guys. Let's go. It's there. We are in Jollibee now. We are in Jollibee.
Dali, upo ka muna.
Hello guys, we are waiting for our order.
Hi! We have cup na.
We are waiting for our order.
Number 10.
We are number 10.
So what's next?
I don't know what to put here. Going to our house. We're going to our house now. You can see the sun. There it goes. Look, it's over there.
Jollibee again. There's a lot of Jollibee here at the Imus, no?
Yeah, there's a lot of Jollibee and the emus. Anyways, see you when we're at home.